Okay, so now we're looking at the rules for multiplying and dividing with respect to determining the correct number of significant figures in your answer. When multiplying or dividing, it all comes down to your answer must have the same number of significant figures as the measurement with the least number of significant figures in the problem. So, example A right here, we can see that 2.63, the first measurement, has 3 significant figures in it. And the second measurement, 4.1 centimeters, has 2 significant figures. That means that 2 being the least number of significant figures in either of the measurements, 2 will be the number of significant figures that we round our answer to. So we can go ahead and type this in a calculator. We'll see that it's 2.63 times 4.1. And that'll give us an answer of 10.783 square centimeters. Now we only want to have 2 significant figures, so remembering our rules from rounding, that's the first, that's the second place right there. So the 7 will tell us what to do. 7 is greater than 5, so it rounds up. So the answer we would report would be 11 square centimeters. That is the correct answer to 2 significant figures for this calculation. Taking a look at B, this time we have a division problem. We can see that 9.885 has 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures, and 12.225 has 5 significant figures. So we're looking for the number that has the least amount of significant figures. So we are going to round to 4 significant figures this time. So typing this into our calculator, 9.885 divide by 12.225. Calculator returns this number of 0.80858895571. Okay, we only want 4 of these significant figures, so we've got to start counting, find that 4th significant figure. Well, it starts with the 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th number, so we are going to look at the one right after the 8, and that's going to tell us how to round this. Well, it's an 8. 8 means to round up, so the answer that we would report for B would be 0.808, rounding up, 6. Must include our units. That's grams slash milliliters. Grams per milliliter. That's a unit of density. Okay, taking a look at C. This time we have a multiplication problem, and there are 3 different measurements here. We can see that there are 2 significant figures there, 2 significant figures there, and only 1 here. So we are going to have 1 significant figure in our answer. So we have to multiply 25 times 30 times, oh, sorry, that was 3.0, times 5, and we are given an answer of 375 cubic centimeters, or millimeters, sorry. Okay, so our answer has 3 significant figures in it, but our least precise measurement only had 1 significant figure in it. So we have to round this to just 1 significant figure. Well, the first significant figure is the 3 right here. Okay, so we have to round this to the hundreds place. Now, we cannot lose value. Since we have something in the hundreds place, our answer will also have to have something in the hundreds place. So you cannot just round this down to 4. You have to maintain value in the hundreds place. So we look at the number directly after it. It's a 7. A 7 means to round up. So this is going to become a 4. So 375 rounded to the nearest hundreds place with rounding up because of that will give us 400 cubic millimeters.